just gonna see what happens if I just walk in the open. Just kind of walk like I'm doing a zombie walk. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm down. I'm using my pistol. Dude, this is gonna hurt.
It might. I'm in front though, so.
Everywhere you never been and better than I ever been.
Follow me, tell me if you feel me.
You never heard of this city getting murderous, occupation dangerous like Philippine journalists. Crazy and deranged, they describe them in the same pages that would call them terrorists if not for the melanin deficiency. Gang problem bigger than just juvenile delinquency. Gangs is survival if environments is grimy to begin with. Speaking of which, let's be consistent. Today was called a tragedy, yesterday a statistic. I'm listening before I ever speak upon insisting. My name is Young Prometheus and this is my opinion. Watch the interrupter, see ordinary civilians can't police themselves before they have to call police for help. At least a little space to breathe. You believe all violence is a warrant to your being, then why you oversee it if the killer wears a uniform? But if the killer's me, it's normal if the victim also looks like me. Shots fired south, man, nobody cares. Shots fired north, then everybody's scared. Nothing they can do for us, we can't do ourselves. Point the finger at the mirror, nobody else. Shots fired parking lot, nobody cares. Shots fired coffee shop, everybody's scared. Nothing they can do for us, we can't do ourselves. Point the finger at the mirror. I can't lie, I know the music can be influential, but not as influential as desperation. They saying that you gotta act right if you wanna have rights. But what if you were born into a wrong situation? Moral relativity, that passive-aggressive city stuff becoming history quicker than you can blink at me. Rule number 1, protect yourself at all times. Rule 2, always end but never start a fight. Came up in the era of the hand-to-hand scrap until the drugs happened. Now it's bloodshed and transactions. Calling time out like Samuel L. Jackson, playing DJ Love Daddy with the African medallion, trying to do the right thing. I don't have the answers, but neither does a person who practices double standards. If every death a tragedy, then join us when we chanting, and not just when we singing and dancing. It's too many shots fired south end, nobody cares. Shots fired north end, everybody's scared. Nothing they can do for us, we can't do ourselves. Point the finger at the mirror, nobody else. Shots fired parking lot, nobody cares. Shots fired coffee shop, everybody's scared. Nothing they can do for us, we can't do ourselves. Point the finger at the